everyone, my name is Jaswant and I welcome all of you to the video resume tutorial 1. Today we shall talk about something which 6 out of every 10 students haven't heard about or do not know about. That is video resume. Yes, video resume. Let's understand in simple words. It's a micro interview before the real one. It assists you to market yourself to the prospective employers. It's a recruiter's time saver, as it saves a lot of hiring time by using video resume as a shortlisting and a screening tool. Wait. Video resume is not a replacement for paper resume. I repeat, video resume is not a replacement for paper resume. It's just a supplement for a recruitment round from the recruiter's perspective. Video resume is also known as Resume by many recruiters. To know more about it, let's explore a survey by Vault Incorporation. Close to 17% of the recruiters have actually viewed resume as an evaluative tool, and 85% of the recruiters, they have revealed that they would watch a video resume if it was submitted to them. The primary reason why employers value video resume is it's an excellent medium to assess a candidate's confident and professional presentation. I'm sure that this video tutorial must have helped you to understand what video resume is all about and why is it used by recruiters. Stay tuned and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on how to make a video resume. Thank you.